rider wearing black leather, red pants. Tell me 1080. 278.
On April 7, 2021, police spotted a motorcycle racing down GA20 and later onto GA6, at times topping more than 100 miles per hour. When officers signaled for the rider to stop, he refused and took off.
Still westbound. I tried to channel him. Didn't work. Turned on to 61 North.
Turn 61 North, attempted to channel.
Back westbound, 278, wrong side of the road. Black male driver.
The motorcycle weaved through traffic, ran red lights, traveled the wrong way, and repeatedly turned around in an attempt to escape, nearly colliding with several vehicles. The reckless speed posed a serious threat to public safety.
Stand by, stand by. He almost hit several vehicles head on. We're on Butler Industrial. Flipping around, back eastbound. Popping a wheelie. Stand by. Black male rider wearing black leather, red pants. Back at 102. Passing Old Harris again, 278. $10.50, 70, 1070. Get on the fucking ground! Get on the goddamn ground! Get on the goddamn...
The chase came to a violent end when the motorcycle slammed into the back of another vehicle. The impact threw the rider onto the median as the bike burst into flames. Officers immediately called in fire and EMS units, securing the rider, identified as Alexander Nasworthy, and handing him over to medical personnel. A records check revealed his license was suspended. After being treated at Kenston Hospital, he was instructed to turn himself in once released.
At the York
On October 8, 2024, in the parking lot of York Girls' Dashcam Cafe, police identified a white Ford Expedition with a fake Arkansas plate that matched another vehicle under investigation. When officers attempted a stop, the SUV immediately took off onto Highway 25.
The SUV drove recklessly, repeatedly crossing into oncoming lanes and nearly colliding with other vehicles. Officers attempted to execute control maneuvers twice, but the suspect managed to escape and continued fleeing.
Copy your last 304. Thankfully, probably just turned on down the road, correct? Copy. It's about to make north on Mountain Road. Sorry.
It's a wide expedition. Let's don't get me now.
pulled up on GPS now on 25 coming up on Concord city limits. They did attempt to pit. He regained control of the vehicle and is continuing north on 25.
Okay, I just let me turn on Mountain View Road.
The chase was relentless. On the third attempt to stop it, the SUV veered into a ditch, crashed through several trees, and finally came to a halt. The driver, identified as Adam Brackett, jumped out and tried to flee on foot, but officers quickly caught up and apprehended him. A search uncovered 1.9 grams of methamphetamine. Brackett was transported to the Cleburne County Jail to face multiple charges, while one patrol vehicle involved in the pursuit sustained $4,000 in damage.